Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create flowchart in Google Docs. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Google Docs and I'm going to create flowchart in this Google document. If we want to create flowchart, we need to go to the insert menu and then we can choose drawing. Okay, select new. Okay, then here you can add shape. For example, I'm going to add this rectangle shape, the rounded rectangle. I'm going to use it for my flowchart. Okay, then I'm going to add a row as well. I'm going to go to the shape, select a row, and I'm going to go with this one. Just draw the arrow like this, and I'm just going to copy this shape. Okay, and I'm going to place it right here. You can also change the color if you want. Just go to this fill color and select the color that you like. I'm going to select the green color and also purple like this. And you can add tags to the shape. If you want to add tags, you can go to the tags box. Then you can add the tags box right here. I'm just going to type in step 1. We can also change the font. I'm gonna go with this one. Oops, we need to select the text. Right, guys, like this, and we'll be able to change the font. Right, and I'm going to copy the text box. Oops. Okay, then I'm going to place it right here. Okay, then you can customize the flow chart as you like, guys. This is just for an example. And then I'm just going to click on save and close. Right? And now the flowchart has been created. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create flowchart in Google Docs. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.